Today we are unboxing the brand new Fone S4, the latest connected GPS kids smartwatch from myFirst. Already, I can tell this thing has a much bigger screen than last year's model. Let's peel off the sticker and check out that huge 1.65-inch AMOLED screen. Man, this display is nice. Inside the box, you get a charging cable, fun stickers, obligatory paperwork, and of course, the S4 Kids smartwatch. The watch boots up to the pairing QR code right off the bat, so you can easily connect it to the myFirst Circle app, where all the communication and location tracking will take place. Hold up, this thing is an MP3 player? It can hold 1,500 songs? Wow! And look at how all these wallpaper options look on this screen. Amazing. A new feature on the S line that's coming from the R2 is Magic Button, which is basically a programmable shortcut button. You can make a single click to call Dad, for example. Hi, Dad. The watch can also access myFirst Circle, which is a safe social environment for families. Kids can directly post their selfies from the watch, and parents and friends can see them and respond on their myFirst devices and phones. A great way to stay connected. The camera is 5 megapixels with HDR this year. You can swear an iPhone took this. The quality is way better than you'd expect. Another new feature is always on display as well, powered by the AMOLED screen, so it doesn't suck up extra battery. But now, time to check out the all-new Magic Code. Basically, you can program your own vibration pattern, assign it a meaning, and share with your contacts. So you don't need to look down at your watch when you get that super secret special vibration. Swipe to your left shows the health page, where kids can track their steps and heart rate. That's right, this kids' watch has a heart rate sensor. There's so much more to learn with the S4. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to find out more about the world's most advanced kids smartwatch. Thank you so much for watching.